Hello everyone. So today's Leetcode challenge is maximum performance of a team. You have given a n number of engineer with their respected speed and efficiency. You have to select the most k engineer efficiency and their speed, like a most optimum k engineers, and output their efficiency and speed. In short, you have to output their performance. So first of all, what we do, we create a set of the engineering speed and their efficiency. So we call it as a engineer and zip the speed, zip the efficiency, and the speed. And then we sort the set. So engineering, engineer equal to sorted engineer and k equal to lambda x column x 0, and uh, we set the reverse equal to true because we want the set in a descending order. Okay, and then we create two variables to store the sum of the speed and result, and declare it as 0 0, and then we create a heap, like to store the speed of the engineers. So we call it as a speed heap, and then we create a for loop for engineers. So for efficiency and speed in engineer, what we do, we push the speed of the specific engineer to our heap. We create a speed heap in which, so heap q dot heap push to speed heap. What we have pushed, we push the speed, and then we add the sum of the speed. So sum speed plus equal to s. Okay, and then we check, like if our limit is exceed to the k or not, because we also give a value of k, like our maximum number we can choose from. So for that, if the lane of the speed heap is greater than k, so what we should do, we remove the last element from the heap. So so what will be our new speed? So our new speed will be minus equal to heap q dot heap pop. So we popping from our heap, and the heap name is speed heap. Okay, and our result should be result equal to max of our result and some speed star efficiency. Okay, and then what we do, we return. Okay, let's try to run it. So sorry, I forgot to return yes result. Okay, run. So the output of our code is 16. Let's try to copy and paste it on a site. So let's paste our code and hope it's work. Post. Also, I forgot to add the modulus of 10 raised to 9 plus 7. So make sure to add this too, because here lead code also tell us, like, since the answer can be huge number, written with a module. Okay. So let's run it. So run the code and submit. So here we can see like our algorithm is faster than 96% and memory usage is also 50%. So please make sure to check other videos and like and subscribe if you want. Thank you. See you soon.